All right, guys, 2011 BMW 335i. It's got the catalytic converter right there. Then it goes true dual 2 1/4 all the way back. Usually has an X pipe here. We just cut it out. He wanted a little bit more tone, a little bit louder and more pop. So we took the X pipe out right there. Continues his original pipe and then did a muffler delete there and right there, as you guys can see. And then put some 4.5-inch tips out the back. There and there, stainless steel to complete the look, make it look clean. Look at that, really nice. We don't have anything to show because he brought it with the muffler cut off already. So you guys don't get to see the old muffler on it. Anyways, that's what it looks like. So it's all the way straight piped other than the catalytic converter. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's better. Now it's clean. That's really nice. Sound decibels. Again. Right at 103. I like it. Not bad. I like it. Did you hear that pop? Yeah. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW 335i, fully straight pipe, true dual. Nice! Did you hear that pop, guys?